Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do strike through on Instagram. It's really simple and easy. Open up the Instagram application and then swipe to the story section here. Next, take a picture or select one from your gallery. Now tap on the text icon and type anything, but you will notice that there is no built-in strike through option. To apply strike through, open Google Chrome, then simply search for strike through text generator. Then click on one of the website and then type and paste your text here. It will instantly convert it to strike through format. Copy the converted text, return to the Instagram and then simply paste it here. And as you can see, you can move, resize or change the color of the text to fit your design before posting. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to do strike through on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.